Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Webdev. So here we are showing all the cities list. Now it's time for us to show the countries list also. So countries list is nothing but we are having the cities list, right? Out of the cities list we need to segregate these all the things. So whichever the countries are having, we need to segregate it and we need to show one by one boxes here. So for this one what we can do it is, so here let's try to create a component for this one, country list component. So here in our pages, first it should be a page. Why? Because we are having separate page, right? So here I am using country list.jsx, and here I will write the code export default function country list. So this is our component, and here I will return country list. So this is our code, and everything is spelling mistake. Let's try to solve it one by one. Yeah, this is our component, and let's go to the app.jsx, and here where is will be our countries list? Yeah, here. So instead of showing this HTML element, we will load the country list. That's it. And we got the country list, and we need to populate the data here. So for populating the data, what we need to do? So we have these all the data, right? So like cities and the loading. Let's pass the cities and loading here. So for this one, cities is equal to cities, and the loading is equal to loading. I am sending these all the things. And here let's go to country list, and in this country list, so here we will be having the cities and the loading. Okay, so we'll be having the props also. So let's copy these props and we'll do it. So right now we are having only the same props from prop types. Okay, and this should be prop types, and we will copy the same thing from the cities list. So I don't want to waste the time. So this is the total prop types, and I will paste it here, and this should be country list. Fine, right? Now we are able to get the cities. Now here we need to show the countries, not the cities. In these cities we have the country. So here we can have constant countries, or otherwise let countries is equal to an array, and here countries is equal to, so I need to loop over the cities. Okay, cities dot, I am using the reduce function. So this is completely what I can say is it's a JavaScript method. So reduce of array and also the current element you will be having. Okay, something like accumulator. And in this one, so if array dot map, I will loop over one. I will loop over this array thing. So right now it will be empty array. Okay, it will be an empty array at the starting, and here you will be getting each element. Okay, and if you try to see the cities.json file, so you will be having the country, right? So here we will be having the country, and we will have this country list. So if el dot country, okay, or otherwise array. So array we are looping over each and thing, right? El dot country, so we will having each one country dot includes. So I will be using the includes dot. So what I can do, that is nothing but the current element. So current, each one will be getting current dot country. Okay, so el dot country, if it doesn't include, so which one? If array dot map, array dot includes, so I will be writing it like this. So if it doesn't includes, we'll be getting each one. I am looping over each one, and I am getting el dot current country dot includes current dot country. If it doesn't includes, then what I need to do, I need to return array, empty array. Okay, and I need to push the data one by one such a way that country is equal to current dot country and emoji underscore flag I will be getting emoji underscore flag is equal to current dot emoji underscore flag. So I'll be getting it like this, or otherwise else is there. Then I will return the array. Simple. So this is the countries, and here let's console the countries and you'll see whether we are able to get it or not. So here if I console the countries and if I try to see the inspect element, so we should be able to get the console, and we are getting it as an array, empty array. So enter thing gone, I think some problem is there. Let's try to see it. So what we have did it here. Okay. So this should be an array, right? Includes, we'll check it with an array. If array dot map of el.country, each one el.country we are getting, and we are checking with the country list here. If you try to refresh this page, then you will be able to get the data. Yeah, here we got it, and these are the countries which we are having, and the emoji flag also we are having. Now we got the country list, and we will be showing this one, each one here. So in this div we will be having div, okay, and we will loop over each one, that is common. Countries, we got the countries dot map of country, and we need to have a component. So let's create the component, that is nothing but country item. So that is a component, and we will create a new file here, country item.jsx, right? So this is our country item.jsx, and here we can write something like export default country item, and here we will get one country. Okay, so that is an object. You can have it the props. So import prop types. So we will import prop types from prop types, and here we will be having something like country item dot prop types is equal to we will be having a country, so which will be prop types dot object, it should be an object dot is required. That's it. Now here we got the country item, and we need to show the details, right? So here I will be showing the one div return export default function, it should be a function. So div, and here I will show one div here, country dot country, I am using the country name only, and another div what we can do it is, so here country dot emoji underscore flag. So whatever the name it should be, so we are showing it here. And let's go to the country list, and in this country list we are showing we will show the country item, and we need to send the country as a props. Country is equal to country, that's it. Now here you will be able to see the country list, and now we got the details. So now we need to refresh this page. So here we need to have a key is equal to country dot country. We can have this unique one, so we can maintain this thing. Fine. So we got the console, and you can remove this console. So now we need to what I can say is I want to design this. So here loading symbol, we need to use the loading symbol also, right? So here if loading is there, then I will return the loader. Now if you try to see, a loading symbol will come automatically, and we'll show this one. Yeah, fine, everything is working fine. And here we will create country list, right? Country list dot module dot css. So let's go to the pages, and here I will create country list dot module dot css, and here dot country list. So this is the thing we need to write, and here we need to import styles from country list dot module dot css. Okay, and here I will write the class name. Class name is equal to styles dot country list, and we need to write the css for this one. So here what I can do, so each one will be having it, right? So country item also we need to create in the components. Here we can write country item dot module dot css. I am creating a country item also, and in this country item dot module dot css we need to import it in our JSX. So here I am using import styles from country item dot module dot css, and here let's go and use this OU, yeah. And for this one is class name is equal to styles dot country item, okay, and this country item dot module dot css, yeah, here dot country item, and here we can write each country item, right? So each box what we can do it is background color gray, okay, I will save it. So we got this one, and here what I can do is color white, okay, and let's go to country list.module.css, and here I will use display flags, and each one is coming one by one, and here I can use country list dot country list, or otherwise in the country item each one country item module.css, each one you will be having flex 1, so we will be taking each one, and we can have a flex basis of around 200 pixel. We'll take 200 pixel, let's see, and in our country list.module we will use flex wrap, and here we need to use the wrap, so we will be getting one by one here. And in our country module.css, instead of having this, so let's take 100 pixel, yeah, and each one we can have a margin of 10 pixel, okay, so like this we are able to show it, and a padding also we can have around 10 pixel, okay, so it is looking fine, right? So that's it. So the CSS also we had it. I don't want to concentrate more on the CSS. And now we are able to show all the cities, and countries also we are able to format it so that these 4 country cities we are able to show it here. So this is how we will be implementing. Right now we have implemented both the things, apps and cities and the countries. So this is how we will be writing the code, and the CSS also we are writing slowly one by one. Now what I will do is I will commit this entire code. That is nothing but video -129, and whoever want to refer this code, so the GitHub repository URL is provided in the description below, so you can have a take a look at that one. And country list component, so this is our thing which we have implemented. And if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.